So I've seen appraisals in the GTA and even in Calgary coming in under the purchase prices that clients paid years ago. And I've seen buyers have to come up with an extra $20,000, $50,000, even $100,000 at closing. But there's a way around this, and it's called a blanket mortgage. So let me explain. Hey everyone, it's Kyle the Condo Millionaire, and I help investors and buyers navigate the Canadian pre-construction market. So if you're into that, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more real estate videos just like this. Now let's get into it. So what is a blanket mortgage? Well, a lot of people call it a blanket mortgage, but it's actually a misnomer. It should really be called a blanket appraisal. And here's why. Normally, every mortgage requires a market appraisal done by an independent appraiser. This is an estimate of your property's value right before closing. Banks do this to make sure that the home you're closing on is worth what you're paying, and it secures the mortgage or the lending value. But with a blanket appraisal, the bank pre-appraises your unit today based on the original pre-construction purchase price. They don't rely on a new appraisal that's done at completion. So why does this matter? Well, today, in some markets, appraisals are coming in lower than the purchase price. This is happening all over the GTA, and I am starting to see this in Calgary. Great example is I recently saw a pre-construction condo project. It had appraisals come in anywhere from $10,000 over purchase price to more than $100,000 under. The same building, just different appraisers. And this is completely outside of your control. So what happens if the appraisal comes in low? Well, here's the part that nobody tells you. Banks only lend up to 80% loan to value, or LTV, for investment properties. So if your appraisal comes in under what you paid, you have to bring the difference in cash at closing to top up the 20% down payment that you already were expecting to put in. Let me show you an extreme example here. Purchase price of $500,000. The maximum loan to value at 80% is going to be $400,000 mortgage. If your appraisal comes in at only $400,000, so $100,000 under your purchase price, well, the bank is only going to lend 80% of the $400,000 appraisal. That means you're going to get a mortgage of $320,000. The difference? That's $80,000. And the buyer has to bring this in cash at closing. Most people don't have an extra 80 grand sitting around. And if you can't bring that money, you can't close. So why should buyers care about blanket appraisals? Well, if it's offered on your development, it could save you from a nightmare scenario. Here's how. There's no surprise down payment that's going to be required at closing. The bank is going to use your original purchase price for the appraisal. It's guaranteed. So there's 0% chance that your appraisal comes in low. Plus, since there's no appraisal, you're going to save anywhere from $400 to $600. Plus, there's going to be early mortgage approval. The bank is going to approve you today, and they often hold that approval for the property that's going to be completed in 2 to 3 years. Life situations change, divorces, deaths, different job changes. You might have to move. All of this you won't have to worry about if you have a firm approval today. If the rates go down, the bank is actually going to adjust it downwards for you. So really, it's risk-free. You can still shop around later too. You're not locked in. So if you did want to go get a different mortgage from a different bank, you can still do that. But perhaps the most important is this is much less stress for you. I've been there. Mortgage stress is the worst. This allows you to have no panic, no last minute surprises, no waiting to see if you qualify. You know today what's going to happen. So my recommendation, my rule, if a project offers a blanket mortgage or appraisal, I sign up every single time because I've had countless sleepless nights for mortgage issues on my investment properties. Even me, the condo millionaire. So trust me, the peace of mind alone is worth doing it. Don't gamble your closing trying to save an extra $20 a month by shopping around for a lower rate. And a special note for my Calgary buyers, TD is now offering blanket appraisals on almost all of the pre-construction properties being built by Truman Homes. This includes Arthur Condos, Broward, Clover, Frontier, Hazelwood, Gallery, Horizon, Imperial, Lincoln, Mine Condos, Orson Condos, Plaza. So if you bought in any of these projects, you are in a great position because you have a blanket mortgage available to you. Send me a message and I will send you the contact for the TD mortgage rep to offer the blanket mortgage, or just put TD in the comments and I'll send you the contact. So thank you for watching my video. If you did enjoy it, you found it useful, please share it with others, and please like and subscribe to the channel for more real estate investing videos. Happy mortgage closing.